Imagine you're using your bandsaw every day, all day, every day. You're cutting your normal beams, tubes, channels, mostly at 90 degrees. Often what you'll need to do then is cut a 45 or a 15-degree angle. So you'll have to miter your bow. Now, most bandsaws in today's market has a miter gauge underneath the base. Now, workshops generally can be quite dark and dingy, which creates a problem with seeing your angle gauge. When you turn it round, although it's dark in the workshop, it's even dark underneath the base. A lot of workers can't see the angle properly, which causes inaccurate cuts. This results in you having to cut 2 or 3 angles to make sure that your angle's right once you're happy enough. The other thing is swath builds up underneath the base from the material, and this can cover the angle gauge, which means you have to reach in every so often and wipe it, which is wasting your time, and it's not a productive investment for you in the long run. As for most bandsaws in today's market, we explained that the angle gauge is below the base of the main bed. Imagine if you had a bandsaw that, as you simply mitered the bow, it read the angle accurately out on the control for you, so you could get your angle right first time. All you need to do then is simply pull the clamp along and lock your bow, and that way you'll save tons of money, tons of material, and you'll get it right first time.